Hello, I'm constitutional attorney Katherine Henry, and this is the episode preview for Season 1, Episode 6 of Restore Freedom Weekly, which live streamed to you on YouTube, Facebook, and Rumble, and was shared with you afterwards on social media and your favorite podcasting platforms. In this episode, we discussed the Valentine's Day criminal complaints. These Valentine's Day criminal complaints were being shared by Stand Up Michigan and the Constitutional Law Group, and they were urging people to go after the bonds of public officials. We discussed this in the context of state crimes versus federal crimes, the powers and jurisdiction of state prosecuting attorneys, and even the ethics opinions on the duties of prosecuting attorneys. So make sure to check out Season 1, Episode 6 on our quest to restore freedom weekly. Make sure to like, follow, subscribe, and share Restore Freedom.